Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. So HTVRONT sent me their latest heat press. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the HTVRONT Auto Press 2. So HTVRONT is also preparing for their Black Friday sales. So make sure that you check out the coupon codes in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of all the sales that they have going on. Come on, y'all. Let's get started. After unboxing the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2, I noticed inside the box there was a manual and they also provided a Teflon sheet. The heat press weighs about 48 pounds, so you might need some help getting it out of the box. And once you get it out of the box and get your heat press to its designated location, all you have to do is plug it up and get crafting. Okay, we're going to take a look at some of the features. The heat press has a large tilt-up screen. So now I do not have to lean over to see what my settings are. All of the buttons are located on the top of the screen. They're not labeled, but they have pictures on them. You have the power button, the time button, the temperature button, and you have the pressure button. The pressure button is where you have the ability to adjust your pressure. You can adjust your pressure between 50 pounds and 170 pounds. The mode button is where you would locate the 4 presets. So check out the manual for all the details of the mode button. The next button is the custom button, and you can make your own preset settings here for the materials that you use the most. Here you have your increase and your decrease button. This is your auto button. So when the auto button is selected, the heat press will automatically start pressing when you push the bottom platen all the way in. And this is the start button that you would select to start the press if you don't have the auto button selected. The bottom platen measures 15 by 15, and as you can see, it slides in and out, making it easier for you to place your projects on it. So let's press some projects and see how the heat press does. For my first project, I am going to be pressing some regular Caesar Easy Weed HTV. I'm going to be pressing it at 305 for 20 seconds, and I am using the pressure of 130, and I have it set on the auto press. So let's see how it did. Okay. That did good. That did real good. I like it. Okay. So I'm going to place the Teflon sheet on it just to make sure that I get a good seal on my HTV. For my second project, I am going to be pressing some printable heat transfer vinyl. I am going to press this at 330 for 20 seconds using 130 pound pressure. So let's see how it did. I think this bow is so cute. All right, okay, I like it. Okay, I like it. And y'all know I have to try out the rhinestones. So for my rhinestones, I'm going to be pressing them at 350 for 15 seconds. And I am going to still be using a pressure of 130. So let me adjust my time down. And then I'm going to press it. All right, guys, that's all for now. So let's take a look at our projects. So here is the HTV shirt, and I think it is so cute and simple. So that's the HTV shirt. This is our printable vinyl shirt, and that is so cute. That's that shirt. And then here is the rhinestone shirt. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. So overall, I love this heat press. So if you're in the market for a new heat press, this one is for you. Don't forget to check out the description box for those coupon codes. Also, if you like this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you could be notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.